You are writing financial accounts. Here is more like an expo for you. It will help you as you prepare for your examination on financial accounts. So just follow me as I give you the topics you should be reading, because these are the topics from which NECO will set the exam from. Are you with me? These topics I'm going to give you now are the topics that NECO will set financial account exam from. You don't need to read all the topic. You basically need to read the basic topics in the syllabus. Okay, first topic is Introduction to Financial Accounting. Under it, read history, nature, functions of accounting, users of accounting information, stages in the accounting process, characteristics of accounting information. Then read accounting equation and double entry principle. This one came out even in WAEC. Double entry, then accounting equation. Under it, read the accounting equation, purpose and functions of source documents, subsidiary books, the ledger, classification of accounts, cash book, analytical cash book, including petty cash book, preparation of trial balance. Trial balance is always coming out. Then bank reconciliation statements. These are very, very, very important. Remember to like this video now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, I will send you this particular syllabus, this particular scheme of work that I'm reading from, so that you can pay closer attention to it. Also, I can send you past questions. I can send you timetables. I can also help you to guide you on how to check your results, whether it is WAEC, NECO, JAMB, and all the rest. Okay? I've told you number 2, bank equation and double entry. Number 3, I'm reading directly from what NECO said will come out. Accounting concept, read meaning, types, significance, and limitations of different accounting concepts. Okay? Read the final account of a sole trader, sole proprietor. Just get your financial accounts textbook and read up these particular topics I'm mentioning. Okay? Provisions and reserves. Under it, read provisions for doubtful debt and allowance for doubtful debt, provision for discount, depreciation, concept, reasons for recording and methods of recording depreciation. Read straight line, reducing balance, sum of the year digit. Read accounting for depreciation. Read reserves, revenue and capital reserves. Okay. Then read manufacturing account as a topic. Purpose of manufacturing account, cost classification in manufacturing account, preparation of final account for manufacturing concern. These are things I'm telling you are very, very, very important. Remember, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed, so I can begin to guide you. I can add you to our online group, reading group. I can begin to help you to pass your exam. Aside account, also order of your subject. The 7th topic is control account and self-balancing ledgers. Meaning and uses of control account, types, sales ledger control, purchases ledger control, preparation of control account, reconciliation of control account. If there is anything I say you don't understand, also feel free to let me know. Then we have single entry and incomplete records. Single entry, before we get to double entry, we need to read single entry and incomplete record, meaning and limitations, computation of profit and loss from open and closing balance sheet, conversion of single entry to double entry. How do you convert single entry account to double entry record? Preparation of final account from a set of incomplete record, markup and margins. Then accounts for not-for-profit making organizations, meaning and terminologies, receipts and payment account, subscription account, income and expenditure account, accumulated fund, balance sheet, profit or loss from income generating activities. Partnership account, also read partnership account, nature and formation of partnership, partnership agreements and deals, profit loss appropriate account, partnership capital account. Read everything about partnership. Once you get your financial account textbook, treatment of goodwill and value and revelation of asset, this dissolution of partnership, very important. And they said questions will not be set on Ghana, Ghana v. Rule and piecemeal realization. They will not set a question on this, but this is why I need to send you this. So just subscribe so that you will even know they can give a topic, but there's a particular area they will not set question from. Then read up company accounts, nature and formation of a company, types of companies and shares, issues of shares. Just read up everything about shares. Loan capital, debenture, loan notes and mortgages, financial account of company for internal use only, interpretation of accounts using simple ratios, purchases of business accounts, settlement of cash flow. Note, separate question may be said to meet statutory requirement of individual countries, depending on the country you are writing. If you are writing Nigeria, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Ghana, and any other country that is writing NECO. Accounting for value added tax. Of course, even in WAEC, they ask questions from VAT. Characteristics of VAT, basics of computing input and output of VAT. Of course, you know that VAT is value added tax. Provision of VAT returns, exempt goods and services. What are the goods that are exempt from VAT? Departmental and branch account will come out. So meaning and importance, differences between department and branches, preparation of department account and all the rest. These are the things you should just expect. Public sector accounting. Under it, read meaning and differences between public sector and private sector account, sources of public revenue, capital and recurrent expenditure, preparation of simple government account, information technology and accounting, ICT and accounting, manual and computerized accounting process system, processes involved in data processing, computer hardware and software, merits and demerits of manual and just read up everything about ICT and accounting. Then read miscellaneous accounts. Miscellaneous account, meaning introduction, terminologies, and preparation of simple joint venture account, consignment account, contract account, hire purchase account. Read up financial systems like meaning and components of financial system, meaning functions and features of money market, capital market. Of course, you should know these things as a financial account student. Insurance market, method of raising fund from the capital, offer for sale, offer for subscription, rights issue, private placement, requirement for accessing the capital market, benefits of capital market to investor, government, economy, in individual company, types, features and reasons for regulation. These are the things that will come out. So read up these things. If you subscribe, I will send you this particular syllabus on financial accounting. I can also send you syllabus on other subjects. Subscribe right now. Share this video. Just click on share on this YouTube channel. Click on share. Copy the link and paste on all the WhatsApp group you belong to, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter group you belong to for WAEC examination, so that your mates will also benefit. Thank you so much. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and share.